Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you delete or remove your passkey from Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget application, and after opening the application you will get to see this dotted icon into the top left corner. Simply tap into that icon, and after tapping into there, select your profile. Now after selecting that, you will get to see this option of security. Now you have to go over security, and then you will get to see passkey option in the second. Just simply tap to passkey, and after that you will get this option of passkey which you have enabled. Now you can also see this dustbin icon beside that specific passkey that you would like to delete. Now in order to do that, just simply tap to dustbin, and you will get this option to delete key. Simply tap to delete, and your passkey will successfully be removed or deleted. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.